shot, a little espresso shot. All right.
So I could do that, and I could wear a red hat.
That ain't going nowhere. The laptop's gonna be out. We're gonna be eating, we're gonna be working.
Hey, are those guys closing deals in that car?
Stop yelling at us.
You guys should be doing your calls right now. I mean, we're up. If we're up, then people are up. And if people are up, that means we can get business.
Or send an email.
Yeah. Hey, thinking of you. Couldn't sleep last night thinking of you and your project. Hope all is well. Call soon.
We are going to Needham, Massachusetts to film our first commercial. We wanted to do this so we have a really solid commercial to show people, hey, it's not just go with Gunner and get a discount. It's like, here's all the crappy contractors out there, and you know, here's the difference with Gunner. So we're hoping this commercial really resonates with all those people.
Welcome to my house. This is my crib.
I mean, this is awesome. Yeah, look at the backyard.
It's a cool way of doing it.
I can definitely live here.
I gotta straight edge this.
Don't forget your measuring tape
Where's it at?
right there. And then you also have nail guns you can hook on.
Do 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna. And Connor, obviously, the other way.
How you doing?
Hey, the talent's arrived on set. How you doing?
Perfect.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
$10 each. So.
Yeah, right.
Connor, you're gonna come out of the car and go and meet Eddie where he is. All right, let's check this action. All right, and roll camera, and action.
Crew member number 3.
Iced, please. Splash of milk. Maybe a little cinnamon.
Been in quite a few BTS things. Worked with Aerosmith,
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Michael C. Hall, played Dexter.
No way.
We got talent on set.
Oh my god. Careful. You see we got a talent on set, this guy.
All right, cell phones on silent? Yeah. We're happier, Andrew. We're smiling. Let's stay on the iPad. A little bit of eye contact. Great. Now put the iPad down and we're just talking. Let's roll camera and action.
Showing roofers near you.
I'll pretend I care.
Until your check clears.
No.
I stand behind our work. It's really hard to say that with a straight face.
At Gunner, you'll get a free roofing quote in under an hour, and we make it easy.
Perfect.
When you need roofing, siding, or windows done right locally, head to GunnerRoofing.com to get your free quote today.